If you compare the stops in this guide to the official 17-mile drive map, you'll end up confused, so don't even try. Because there's little of interest to see between the CA Highway 1 gate and Spanish Bay, enter the 17-mile drive from Pacific Grove instead. Follow the directions for the alternative drive above past Asilomar State Beach. Shortly after the road turns inland, you'll see a sign for the 17-mile drive entrance. Beautifully sited next to rolling dunes and in the middle of a Scottish-style links golf course, the Inn at Spanish Bay is a top-notch hotel. If you enter the 17-mile drive through the Pacific Grove Gate, the hotel is a good place for a lunch stop. Or even better, reverse this tour and go in through Carmel, ending here just in time to enjoy the bagpiper who signals the close of the golf course every evening, passing right by their outdoor patio.